Give me a good intro.
Today, guys, I'm wearing socks.
Yeah.
So, guys, we're here training for, I don't know what. We're just gonna go ride and have fun.
Here we go, boys.
The sand track action. You want your boot like that?
Oh, it's Tyler. Tyler unbuckled my boot.
Yeah, I think all of you guys can go a little bit faster. I think just fixing that corner, the middle of your corners for all of you is gonna be a big thing. The last lap you came in here real hot
And we'll both blew out.
you almost blew out. If you would have released the brakes and just got on the gas, your back end would have came around it.
So fun.
But you like waited for the front end to catch and there was just nothing there.
Yeah.
So I came out, this time I actually got a ride like a couple days now. My first day here, I was nervous, dude. I was out of it. I just couldn't time the jumps. I was way off. And I'm like, I sure hope I'm not just getting to that point where my mind is just over it, like as far as like figuring it out. And I went out today fresh, had some rest, and been riding a little bit here, got used to the sand. And they groomed the track, which helped a lot. The lips weren't all blown out. And I freaking hit all the jumps fairly good. I watched Dax hit it on a big bike. I was like, all right, just don't hit it too fast because you'll OJ it. Which I probably would have sent the second doubles way too far if I would have hit it on my own. But the track's super fun. I'm gonna go back, get a drink, and try to do a little moto here before I have to get into some business meetings here in about a half hour. Such a good workout. It's so fun. Like, just hitting the jumps is fun to me. Like, the berms are sick if you hit them just right. But once you start getting arm pump and get winded, oh man. I cased the triple section, and I don't know how I hung on. The bars ripped out of my hand. I was like fingertipping it, like to hold on. I'm like, ah. That was the only really close call so far. But had to stiffen up my forks. I landed, man, bottoming out gnarly in certain spots. But anyway, man, it's a perfect day to ride. It's starting to get hot, which is good. Good little workout. But go get a drink, then I'm gonna come back and ride and do a moto. I think that's probably all I got in me for the day, but gonna enjoy it. A lot of times I'll go ride for 10 minutes. I'm kind of not recovered, then I'll just like screw it and try to do a moto. it works me. Like by the end of the day, I feel just beat. So I'm gonna go get a drink, come back, ride. Go see where Hudson is, see what he's up to. He needs to go ride that other track. So, but we'll be back.
Top and bottom. Bottom.
Top.
In or out?
1, 2.
You're gonna go first, go second.